OpenAI has come up with a small but impactful update. This time they are introducing a new audio model, GPT-realtime, and also updating their existing real-time capabilities. And I really feel this is going to change the entire customer care as well as the call center industry, because the way this audio sounds and answers in real time is just magic. And this example that they showed really blew up my mind. So basically here we are having an application, and this real-time API has been integrated into that application. So rather than having a customer support and answering all your queries, this real-time API has been inbuilt with that app itself. So now the user has just to enable voice chat mode, and they can literally ask any doubts or questions related to the app, and this real-time API has all the data that your company has or that particular customer has, and it's just going to answer it. So here's an example.
AI assistant.
Can you compare the camera of my current phone with the Samsung Galaxy S25?
Sure. The Revel 8 has a 50 megapixel
You just saw that, right? How good it's able to pronounce and answer it real time. So even though it's speaking and the customer speaks, it quickly pauses and allows the customer to speak. It listens and just gives the data real time. Such an incredible work. And in case if you have OpenAI API, you can just try this in their playground. They have a lot of variations. You can just customize the voice, the threshold, and everything. System instructions, you can just try it out. And this is the main thing that I like about this model: instruction following. So basically for the model to respond to our own instructions and have the thought of our chat. In that, it just goes crazy, and it has significantly improved from the previous model. And here is what this challenge evaluates: how they handle multi-turn conversations with humans. It focuses on realistic challenges like following the context and instruction following, in context reasoning simultaneously, because the LLM has to do multiple things. Like they will be having an existing data set from which it has to get the context of that particular company or what you have trained on, and it needs to fetch that instruction simultaneously. It also need to know what you are talking, and you also need to have a track of the previous conversations, and you need to combine everything simultaneously, because this is happening in real time within fraction of seconds. It's not like a regular API call that you make using text, because you just send the data and model takes few seconds and gives back the data, but this is happening in real time with very less latency. We are having MCP support in real time API also. And another highlight thing is that to this GPT real-time model, we can pass image support also. So in case if you're having a screenshot, you can just send it and you can get real-time response back from it. So that's also a major upgrade that they have given. And they're also having a lot of other supports like session initiation protocol, like connect your apps to the public phone network and such. And this is the pricing and availability. You can just go through it. And in case you're having the OpenAI API account, you can literally check that in the live playground. So click on create, and to the right you can change the model. So here we are having GPT-4 or real-time preview, right? Just change it to GPT real-time, and you can just enable your microphone and start the session.